Well, first, thank you for purchasing our Wi-Fi RC controller. Here's a simple tutorial how to import our pre-made sample pages into TB MIDI Stuff. The 3 sample test pages were emailed to you. Of course, you must have installed TB MIDI Stuff on your iPad or on your iPhone. Now tap on the TB MIDI Stuff icon. The app will automatically pop up. Press on Current tab and the page got imported. Now repeat the process again. Go back to your email and tap on the next icon and repeat this process 3 times for each page. Now to try out any of these test pages, you first must connect to the Wi-Fi RC controller. To do this, go to the settings and then to the tap on the Wi-Fi and then select RC254. The password will be located in the user manual. Once you've logged on, go back to TB MIDI Stuff and open any of the imported pages. Now in the top row of the TB MIDI window, you will see a small tool wrench. Click on it to bring up this application settings drop-down menu. Click on MIDI Out and select Wi-Fi Network Session 1. Down towards the bottom, at last, restore last pages canvases at launch. Move the slider to the right so it turns green. Now scroll down all the way down to the OSC section. Move the OSC Enable slider to the right so it turns green. Now type in the host IP number 10.10.100.254. Now type in the out port number 8899. You can type the same number 8899 into the import number if you want two-way communication. The local IP, that number is assigned by the Wi-Fi RC controller to your iPad. Now click anywhere on the left side of the screen and the menu will disappear. Now open one of the pre-designed pages, and if you don't already have it open, preferably this one in the sample short video clip. If you have plugged in a servo into port 6 and 7, you should be able to do this now. Good luck! In this section of the tutorial, I will show you how to design your own pages, controls, and how to assign data to the controls. First, we'll make a new page. Click on the top left at the plus sign. Now tap at the Add New Page, and then at your own choosing, call it whatever you like. Current row, and you end up with a blank page. On the top right, tap on Edit to enter the page editor. On the top right, tap on the plus sign to select one of the many controls. You can move or you can size the control by simply dragging the anchor points with your finger. Now double tap the control and this menu will pop up. Now we leave most of the settings as they are and we ignore everything that has to do with the MIDI. We only deal with the important settings that will affect our RC Wi-Fi controller. The first important setting is the steps count. An RC server turns usually 90 degrees. This is the number of data packets that are sent to turn that servo 90 degrees. You can use the slider to change that number, or just double tap on it and then just enter the number. We ignore all the other settings, especially those that concern MIDI, and scroll right down to OSC messages. Double tap on OSC messages and then press the Add button. First thing we do is select the argument type, and we make this an integer. The next thing we'll do is put in the address. Every OSC packet starts with a slash. In this case 0, 0, 0, and the command for targeting a servo is a capital T. Now we change the maximum value always to 255 to make a complete 90-degree turn. The target address in this case is for servo number 0. The minimum and maximum value can be changed if you don't want to turn your servo 90 degrees. Now tap on the Done on the top right and on Control Settings on the left, and then Done on the very top left. Save page, overwrite, and we're done. Now we're going to add a second data stream. Press Page Edit and the Page Editor, and we double tap on the control. We go scroll down all the way to OSC messages, tap that. Now we add another message, a second data stream. Again, float this converted to integer. The address is /0, 0, 1, capital T. And the maximum value we change it to 255. Press Done. Control Settings, press on that. Now press the Done button on the top left, save page, overwrite, and we're done. We have two data streams now.